So we are in, focus, there we go. We are in
Hua Lompong.
Hua Lompong. I know that I look at you and I'm like, so help with the word.
Oh, they're very tan.
You are tan. I don't look tan from this angle. You are tanned. You're a tan girl. So yeah, we're in Hua Lompong Airport, train station.
It's like Bangkok Railway train.
Bangkok Rail. I'm like holding this over the edge. I feel like that's a bit risque.
No, don't put me in.
Don't. I could do you from this way. There we go. Hua Lompong. How many times have I just said it horrifically?
Too many times. And we're bored.
Yeah.
I'm bored.
Yeah, I'm not. It's not that much fun. We got here a little bit too early for our train. To be fair, we've only got like half an hour now.
About 40 minutes.
40 minutes now until I think we're able to board.
You said half an hour before it goes.
Yeah.
Our train's supposed to leave at 10 past 8.
And it's 10 to 5 now.
What's 5?
Oh, it's 5?
Yeah.
Oh, time's going quicker than I thought it was. Yes, so we are waiting to get the sleeper train to Chiang Mai. We are not 100% excited about this.
I feel like I'm excited for the experience. I'm not particularly excited to like sleep on a train.
No. I've done a sleeper train once before.
Where?
From New York to Miami. No, Washington DC to Miami.
Oh, that's cool.
It was from somewhere to Miami. It was nice.
I don't know how this one's going to be.
I think this is a whole other experience from that
we
train.
looked online and this looked like the best train to get.
Yeah, so we are getting train number 9, which was the one we recommended to get online, and we are in second class. I don't know what that means.
Sold out of first.
Yeah, we want to get first class.
I think because we did it too late.
Yeah, so
you do it quite early on.
Yeah,
before the tickets are released or something.
Yeah, before the tickets are released, I think, to the general public.
Yeah.
We also booked this through a company, so we booked it online before we got to the station through a company called 12 Go Asia. So we just had to cross over the road from the station and pick up our tickets. Yeah. And it was super easy.
And they buy the tickets for you, like they go to the train station and get all the tickets.
Yeah, so it's like what's it called, third party? Is that what the word is? Third party thing.
I don't know how much they take.
Yeah, so the tickets would be way cheaper if you just came and bought them here. So you can just go down there and buy your tickets at the station, and it is way cheaper. Yeah, if you're like backpacking on a serious budget and like every penny counts, then just buy them at the station. Yeah. But we just did it through them just to save ease, make sure it wasn't all booked up, make sure we both got a seat together, all that kind of stuff basically. And we've got an up and top bunk, so we're in the same little pod bit, which is nice. But we've got an up and top, a bottom and top. We've got a bunk bed basically. We've got an upper and lower bunk bed. And yeah, we've rambled on for 3.5 minutes. So I'm going to take you on this train journey with us basically. So yeah, we will see you on the train. And we are, did we say we're going to Chiang Mai? I don't think we did. We did. We're going from Bangkok. If this is the first time you've seen us, we've been in Bangkok for 4 days. We're going from Bangkok to Chiang Mai. We make videos and post them 3 times a week.
Ellen has lost her brain.
I have. I'm like, I'm a little tired. I have no thought power right now, apparently. Yeah, we are going Bangkok to Chiang Mai. I post videos.
She posts videos. Sorry, she posts videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. She edits all herself. She vlogs it all herself. She's amazing, incredible. She wants to win like Vlogger of the Year.
That's why you have friends, right? See you on the train. So we're on the train. We're in cart 5. Like I said before, second class. I feel like I've got my mind back now. I've had a tea.
Got some kids running.
But basically, I'm going to kind of do this while it's quiet, give you a little like show around of what to expect when you get on the train. So yeah, we're in second class. Not that I know if there are other classes or anything. I've no clue. We walked past first class, which looks like its own little room. Yeah. Then we saw a dining cart as well when we walked past. Yeah. And then, so these are our like seats for how you start. So where do you start? Your in a seat. So the seats are quite large because obviously we're gonna have to sleep in them tonight. And then this is Emily's bed for tonight, but they set it out, and then up here is what will be my bed at some point tonight. And yeah, that is the situation at the moment. A what? Yeah, I think you will. I've got one up there, so I assume they'll put one on.
Oh, maybe,
yeah. Example of how much space you get.
And hers are next on my phone.
Yeah. Look at all my mosquito bite wounds. Lovely. They are wounds. Here's the train station. Oh yeah, we don't know where the toilet is.
There, I think.
Oh, literally just there. Easy. I've just sent Emily to do a review of the train toilet. Let's see what she's got to say for herself. Emily.
Oh, hot water. Oh, it's a bit like a airport shower. Oh, the lights came on. Yeah. There is tissue. No need for my tissue. So, I think I just press this button. Yeah. It's like an airport, like an airplane toilet. Okay, I did fuck up the thing on that swear.
Water. Leaving Bangkok. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Not too bad, is it? We got coffees and we did get food, but I didn't actually show them.
Oh,
I completely forgot. We hand sanitizing. We did get we just got the like 7-Eleven chicken and rice microwavable things. 60 baht on the train, but you can bring your own food on if you want, so I think that's probably what most people do. We've got a little snack selection going on here. Well, yeah, all our area got food, but
And also, if you want like a hot meal,
yeah, you can't really do it before.
no, and it was pretty like decent.
Yeah, it was just a normal.
Yeah,
60. How much is 60 baht?
just over £1.
Yeah, so it was a £1 meal. And then we got a coffee as well. The coffee was quite nice.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, so can't complain so far. Not the slightest. People have got their beds set up now. But it's 8 o'clock, so we've decided to wait a little bit longer till we get ours set up. Probably we're going to wait till about 9ish.
Yeah.
And then set up our beds. We are up early, obviously, because the train gets in at like 7:10 or something. So I understand we're going to bed early. But we were saying we're wondering what time they're going to turn off the lights. So we'll see. Quick tip, it's cold on the train because the aircon's up really high, which I get because we prefer to be cool and be too hot, because you can just put on layers. So pack your hoodies and your leggings and your cozy socks at the top of your bag so you can get them out quickly when you get on the train, and all your toiletries obviously for like brushing your teeth and stuff. Oh, it's not actually too difficult.
There she is.
So, oh, let me just get this back on the camera. Let it focus. So this is my little room up here. No window on the top bunk. The top bunk is also slightly cheaper than the bottom bunk, but yeah, like I said earlier, we got two because we're to be together, and because of these quite small, and obviously I'm like not shorter than Emily, so I'm going for the top bunk mainly. So yeah, this is my little situation. I've got what do we call it? A plug, little light, little thing I'm going to put my phone into while I sleep. Then up here I've got like a pillow and a blankie. I'm not sure what that is, must be part of where it was clicked onto before. And I've also got a little hook there that I might put my bag onto, I'm not sure yet. And then obviously you climb down here or on the other side. And then you've got the curtain as well to protect your privacy, which is nice. So it's morning and we are arriving in Chiang Mai in a min. We're both pretty tired. It was a pretty broken night's sleep. It was convenient to not have to go to the airport, but would I do it again? It's so convenient, yeah.
Yeah, it's good. No, wait.
Yeah. Mine was it felt too slim. I guess yes, the bed was uncomfortable, yeah. And they didn't turn off the lights, and that's what I found hard as well. Oh yeah, they don't turn off the lights, so bring an eye mask if you're a prepared person. I was thinking about Emily's fine with her eye mask. But did you have to find it? Oh, that's good. Yeah, so we're arriving in Chiang Mai in a minute. We can't actually check into our hostel until 2, so we'll just go there and see what happens. Leave our stuff, I guess, and then go and find somewhere to chill. Cool, catch up with you guys in a bit. I guess that was kind of our final review, though. I'll probably do some like little swing overs of us getting to Chiang Mai, but that was it. Sorry, really short video. It was just a little like our experience with the sleeper train. Over there is toilets and stuff that I think Emily showed you at the beginning, and there is a little 2 sinks where you can brush your teeth and do whatever you need to in the morning as well, so you don't block up the toilets. Oh, is there? Oh, it makes sense. I think there's a shower as well, but I don't know. We haven't like explored that or seen that. And yeah, we're in Chiang Mai now, so all my next videos are going to be about northern Thailand. We are going to the elephant sanctuary. There's this national park we want to go to, and then we want to go to Pai as well. So you've got all that to look forward to, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next one.